Welcome back to Market Minute USA. Today is Wednesday, February 4th, 2026, and the buy the dip crowd just won big. If you thought the budget 2026 crash was the end of the road for precious metals, think again. In a stunning reversal, gold has officially reclaimed the $5,000 pivot mark, surging over 6% in the last 24 hours. But the real star is silver, which has rocketed 12.5% today, hitting 3.20 Indian rupees lakh per kg in India. This is a massive jump from yesterday's lows, proving that the budget panic was nothing but a trap set by the big players. Why this sudden vertical move? It's a mix of geopolitical fire and technical breakouts. First, the Trump Armada, led by the USS Abraham Lincoln, is making headlines again. U.S. forces just downed an Iranian drone in the Arabian Sea, sending a shockwave of fear through the global energy and metal markets. While Trump says diplomacy is still active, the market isn't taking any chances. Geopolitical risk is back, and gold is the only place investors feel safe. Second, the US-India trade deal is acting as a catalyst. While stocks rallied yesterday, the reality of a China plus one shift is making India a manufacturing powerhouse. This long-term growth story is actually attracting more global capital to India, strengthening the rupee and making the domestic gold/silver correction look like the ultimate entry point. Third, the Kevin Warsh factor is being digested. While the market initially feared his hawkish stance, the reality of a partial U.S. government shutdown means official labor data is delayed. In this data vacuum, investors are trusting the one thing that never lies: physical gold. In the tech sector, the NVIDIA versus Tesla war has a new chapter. NVIDIA's open-source Alpamayo models are now being hailed as the Android of robots. While Tesla's vision-only FSD is world-class, NVIDIA's multi-sensor approach, LiDAR plus radar plus camera, is winning over legacy carmakers like Mercedes and JLR who want reasoning-based AI they can audit. NVIDIA is giving the industry the tools to catch up to Elon Musk for free. My strategy for today: we are back in bull mode. Silver has reclaimed the 3 Indian rupees lakh level, which was the ultimate psychological resistance. If we hold these levels by the closing bell, the path to 3.5 Indian rupees lakh is wide open. Market Minute USA is tracking every move of the Armada and the Federal. Subscribe now, hit the bell, and tell me in the comments, did you catch the 2.65 Indian rupees lakh silver dip, or did the budget crash scare you away? Let me know, and I'll see you at the closing bell.